Good morning everyone. So if you're just tuning in, I'm documenting my process of moving from Da Nang, Vietnam to Bali. So if you guys are interested in the full journey, make sure you subscribe for more videos. In the last video, I focused on selling everything that we own. We made sure that we put everything up for sale on Facebook, and we got rid of quite a bit of stuff. And actually last night we were able to sell my big bamboo plant, and I had to show you guys some pictures or videos if I have of us taking that to our friend's house, holding it in between me and Ralph on a motorbike. You know, the experiences that you have in Vietnam, it's so interesting. So now that we sold most of the things, unfortunately I didn't finish everything on my list. So on today's agenda, we're going to donate some stuff, we're going to buy new luggage, we have to print some important documents, and then we also have to pack early. So I'm planning to pack early so that at the last minute I don't have to wait and figure out that I have more stuff. So that's just me being proactive. So I'm hoping that everything fits in the luggage and we have nothing left. So yeah, let's see if we can accomplish that today. Look who's here! Lou from No Ways to Go is here. She is the part owner of No Ways to Go. It is a store that they sell everything that is eco-friendly. So you're just reducing the waste that you use. And yeah, I've bought a lot of things from them. So I'm sure they can reuse that. If I can find a quick video, I'm gonna show you guys a place, what the place looks like. But yeah, they have some pretty cool stuff. Also, amazing peanut butter from Travis. You gotta try that. Organic, made. Excellent. So yeah, she's just picking that up now, and then Ralph and I are going to print out our important documents. And what I mean by important documents, it is our visas. Like, we have to have it in paper. We also are printing out our insurance cards so that we have it, and we're making about 2 copies for that just to be safe. So yeah, let's get started. Just got to the photocopy location where we're gonna print our papers, important documents. So we just came by the University of Economics. We actually used to live around here, and it's called Linh Dang, I believe. So how it works is you will send an email, or you can bring a USB cord. Unfortunately, I brought an SD card, so I can't use that. So Ralph is just going to email him right now, and then we're going to be able to print everything here. Okay, so we just arrived at Sam's Night. We saw that they are selling luggage, so maybe we'll come and check this out. Hello. What do you think, babe? Oh my gosh, it smells like popcorn in the mall.
I know. I was wondering if it was my must.
I want some popcorn. Okay, so we're looking for
How big?
something like this. Let's see. Just get something that's sturdy.
How much is it?
30% off.
Oh.
2 million? We just went to Vinmart in the mall right now just to check another one, because the price for the luggage that we saw in that store was 2.5 million, you said?
Yeah.
How much is that? Like
a little over 100, maybe 110.
110. I don't know. It's like it's big. So we're just gonna check to see if there's another store in the mall, and then if not, then we gotta take it because we don't have that many options, do we? So yeah, let's go. All right, so we're now on level 3, and we just spotted this store right here, House of Luggage. So let's go check it out. Hello.
How can I help you?
I'm looking for big luggage.
Yeah. How about this one? We have a take column.
This is 50% off?
Yes. What is it?
J'avais pas le bleu. Ça checker les.
How much is this one?
The big size after discount 50% off is 1.650.
Oh, c'est mieux.
Oh.
Is it good quality?
Yeah.
Mantap tak Zim?
Under brand of Samsonite. Do you know Samsonite brand?
No.
They have one down here.
Yeah, that's right.
Ah.
The under brand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Warranty worldwide.
Oh, great. But mine, no?
Is it me or this one's bigger than what we have?
No, the other one we have is big.
Oh.
It's big. Yeah, it's 6 pen.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Alright.
What you are?
The wheel in the wheel
Not
and you
fini.
can stop.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay.
The batteries are locked? Ah, okay.
It has a lock,
Okay.
actually.
From Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Yeah.
What do you think? We go US or Swiss?
US.
Stay with the US. That's right. Alright, so I think we'll take this one.
What color?
This one?
This one, blue?
Yeah.
So mission accomplished. We got this big luggage. Only cost us what? How much was it?
1.6 million. So, let me see. So that was $72.
72. From 100 to 72. Good deal, bro.
Yeah. We saved $40.
Okay, so now we're gonna try to put this. I'll carry it in between me. No, babe, this is not safe. You can't even see,
know, it's
so.
for you.
Okay, let me get on. Hold on. So we just got back and you guys should have seen how we were carrying the luggage. This is very Vietnamese. We're literally like this, like Ralph is in front, the blue luggage is right here, and I'm in the back, so I can't see anything. I'm literally holding on to it. But yeah, so we just got home. We actually achieved a lot, you know? Give me a high five. We did a lot, you know?
Thanks to you.
Thanks to both of us. So we
Thanks
did.
to you. We have to be honest. She's the one who gets shit done.
What?
You can blur that out. But yeah. I'm
So-
the chill one. She's the proactive one.
You work well together.
Yes.
We sold mostly everything. Actually, they're coming to get the desk tomorrow, but everything is gone, so we just have to pack. And the reason why I told you guys I want to do it is because if we pack today, we'll know for sure everything that fits into the luggage, where everything is going, so that if we have to rush, like we buy the flight today, we move tomorrow, things, you know, we know everything fits, instead of worrying like, okay, what can I sell? I have more things to sell. No, I don't want to be in that situation. So that's what we're going to do today, but we're really hungry, so I'm going to order. Did you order already? Yeah, Ralph ordered some Indian food. That's all we've been having lately, because anyway, we no longer have a working kitchen.
Oh, well, that's what we've been having recently. Last week we had a whole like 5 days straight of eating dumplings.
Yeah,
From-
that's true. That's true.
Yeah,
I'm over
soul dumplings on Facebook. Definitely recommend. See, you didn't ask me to do this, but if you guys are ever in Da Nang, definitely try soul dumplings. They have a lot of really amazing stuff.
Yeah,
Even vegan option too. So
Yeah, I've been
very
getting
good.
the peas. Is it peas?
I don't know. The vegan option is made
It's
with
mushroom with like
yeah.
it looks like lentils, but some peas or something like that inside. It's really good. So sometimes I feel like, oh, I don't know what I'm gonna eat, and Ralph just orders it. We've been eating it so much. So food is here. Ralph just went to pick up our food. We got some Indian food from Himalaya. Himalaya?
Indian curry. It's another place I've never been.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that's what we ordered from. We first tried to order from Maharaja, which is really good. Ralph probably talked about this place many times before. Oh, actually I did too in one of my videos. It's a great Indian restaurant here in Da Nang, and we ordered some, what is it called? Paneer?
Padai paneer or something?
Padai paneer or something. It's like we ordered this with rice and naan. So good. It's so I think we had it like 3 days in a row, and then so it's closed today, so we're just ordering this from this new place. I'm gonna check out what it's like, relax a little bit. So I finished working. It's currently 8 p.m. I was doing answering some of your questions on Instagram. I told you guys if you have any questions about the visa with Bali to let me know on Instagram. You guys have been sending it to me. So I'm trying to get back to you. Just bear with me, please. But interestingly enough, in today's lesson, I was teaching something with the students having to do with Christmas. And then I forgot that we have a Christmas tree. And I didn't put it up. I didn't sell it. I just remembered actually in the bathroom. Let me show you guys. We have a Christmas tree in this cabinet. This is the closet in the bathroom. And yeah, we have a full Christmas tree here. I buy the artificial tree that I usually use it for ever and ever. I usually just buy one and it stays for a long time. So I bought one in 2019 and I just forgot that I have to sell that. So I don't think I have time to put it up for sale. So I think what I'm going to do is just donate it, and with anything else that I feel we may have left over in the house, because it's just too late. But I thought it was really funny because the moment we were in the class, I was teaching the student. I'm like, wait. I have a Christmas tree too, no? Anyway, so much to do. But I want to finish what I started today. So my goal is to make sure that I can get this luggage right here packed with the other one. I'm gonna bring it here, pack them all, see what we have, and then what we don't, we know for sure we can sell and donate. So that's the goal for tonight, and I feel like if I finish this, we'll have most of our checklist done for moving abroad. Hearing so much noise outside, and then we found out it's raining.
Ooh.
It's like a hurricane. Well, you did say there was a storm coming, no?
Yep.
Is it still there?
I guess that's it.
Let me go on the balcony so I can show you guys how strong. Whoa, you can see it here. Come and see this. Come and see, boo. Whoa, this is wet. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see the rain. Ooh, I guess it is it's leaking through here. Oh my God. Wow.